In this video, I will show you how to create Google Analytics account for your WordPress website. First, you have to log in your Gmail account and your WordPress website. Then go to Google Analytics website. Now click on Start Measuring. Now enter account name. Now select the box. Scroll down and click on Next. Now enter property name. Select time zone and select currency. Then click on Next. Now select industry category. Then select business size. Then click on Next. Then select first 4 checkbox. Then click on Next. Then select country. Then select the box. Scroll down and select this box and click on I accept. Now enter your website's link and your website name and active Enhance Measurement and click on Create and Continue. Now click on Next. Then click again. Now click on Continue to Home. Now your Google Analytics account is created. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.